Hey guys, what's going on? Still finding tips and the right strategies? Well, today things are going to get a little better for you because I'm about to rock your world. Apparently. Well, today I'm gonna teach you how to find stocks to trade the first hour candle, or you can call it the high volume candle with the help of Superman. Whoa, wait, I meant SuperTrend. So don't you take the strategy lightly, because we are talking real. It's a 90% accurate, whether you're a pro or a noob. It doesn't matter if it is going to be your first trade, because this dope is for real. So sit tight, let's talk business. So what we are going to do here is we need to open a scanner. Okay, I have charting here, so you guys want to use charting, it's okay, it's completely free, so feel free to use charting.com. and I'm gonna open this scanner right now, and here it is. We have two right here, bear for sure and bulls for sure for SuperTrend strategy. Okay, well, I use SuperTrend plus OL, that is open equals low or open equals high. These two are a boober. Okay, so you guys should be using these two. And when I say bear for sure, I mean it's completely sure it's gonna go down. Okay, bear for sure, bearish, right? It's gonna go down. And also bulls for sure, it's completely sure that's gonna go up. So that's how I wrote it. So guys, let's open this scanner right now. So I'm gonna go for bear for sure, and here it is. Today we have two stocks. Okay, that was for sure. And we have Larsen Torbor and Indian Oil Corporation. Basically this stock actually scanned the first 10 minutes of the day. You can see it here, it's the first candle of the day, the first 10 minutes candle of the day. It judged by it. And here it is. It doesn't scan just that, it also scanned the VWAP, and also open should be equals to high. That's also an indicator of bearishness. So what it does right now is it search for the stock, okay, that closes below the super trend. Okay, the 10 minutes close. All right, so it closes below the super trend and VWAP. So that means price intersect super trend and VWAP from above, and it shows downtrend, right? So we have a super trend with a ratio of 7 by 1. It's a perfect ratio, guys. Don't use 7 by 3. That is not so good. So VWAP, you know, it's fixed, right? So it should cross VWAP from the top. So this it is, and the volume here should be greater than 5 lakhs. Okay, so that is how it is. We need volume stocks. Okay, so we have two stocks today, and we're gonna look at it. And here we have LT and IOC. So let's go for LT first. Let's go to LT. LT, here it is. So here it is. So what the stock did was it opened with open equals high. It did not make any highs. Okay, it went down straight. So what happened is let's add up some studies here. That is a super trend. Okay, super trend, and divided by 1. That's it. That is how it is. So as you can see here, the super trend has given an arrow indicator that it is going down, right? And also we need a VWAP. So we're gonna add up some VWAP here. So this is how it is. A VWAP here, and that's it. What happened is this is the VWAP here, this line, and it crosses that level. It was right here at the top, and bam, it went down, right? So this is an indicator of it going down. So what I want you to do is put your orders. You're gonna scan at 9:25, okay, because you have to wait for 10 minutes. You have to wait for this candle to form, right? It has to close below this super trend and has to close below the VWAP, these two. Okay, so it has to close below these two, and then you're gonna scan them. When you're gonna scan them, okay, at 9:25, it's gonna take you about 10 seconds, okay, to do it. And then you're gonna find these stocks. All we're gonna do is you're gonna open them in your chart, and if it is still going up, okay, it's a good thing. Okay, it's a good thing because that is a pullback. So make sure that your pullback should always be at least yeah, right here. That's a good pullback, 60%. Okay, 60% is a good pullback for the first candle, for the second candle for it. Okay, so if it doesn't pull back that much, it's all right. So sometimes you just you know, pull back about that level and then it goes down, so it's okay. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna buy, okay, you're gonna sell them on the pullbacks, and then your stop loss should be on the high. Okay, this will be your stop loss above that level there, so that will be a good thing. 15 and 24, that is about 9, right? 9 is not even 1%, so trade accordingly according to your risk, right? So this is how it is, and you can jump here, and then that's it. The stock is going down because it has, yeah, breaking 3 barriers. Okay, first of all, open equals to high. Second of all, yeah, it has come down, okay, crossed the super trend, and it has crossed the VWAP. You see here, so that is how it is. And yeah, and if you had trade in the stock, okay, you could have entered somewhere here at 1510. Okay, 1510, because you saw that, oh, it's getting pullback and it looks pretty bearish, right? So at 1510 you could have get in, and then you could have got out at yeah, here at 1035. Maybe you could have get out at 1489, right? Just say 90. So that should be 10 plus here it's 10, right? So that's 20. So 1%, you could have grabbed at 1% easily, all right? And you don't have to stay for so long. Also, sometimes you should stay only till 10, well, 5, 10, 15. Let's look at here, Indian Oil Corporation. All right, IOC. Right, yesterday it spiked up. It spiked up, and it was still below the super trend. Okay, so it was just right here. This was area where it should not go down. Trend will change, okay, because this is a super trend. So what happened is it went up from here, right? So it went up. So what happened here is it crosses super trend, it crosses the VWAP, and it also open equals to high. That's more enough information for us, more than enough information. Okay, so here it is, guys. So what happened is you should wait for 10 minutes candle, see if there is any pullbacks. Okay, at least 50% or 60%. Okay, usually that's the first pullback. Okay, in the first 10 minutes there. So what happened is you could enter at 50% of this candle, half of this, or a little bit slight higher than this. Okay, and put the stop loss on top of this level, 142.6. okay, right there. So, and sell it off from there, and then you wait, and if the next candle here doesn't fall down, if there's a higher highs here, then there's a sign of you getting off the market. That's why people left and it shoot up, and this is still your resistance. Okay, mind you, this is still your resistance. So what happened is, yeah, when the price is up here again close to resistance, you could sell it again. So that is the strategy. You put a little risk again on top of this super trend, and yeah, you're gonna enjoy this level again. So that is how it is, my friends. So this is how you trade like a pro. Okay, make sure not to trade whole day, because if you trade whole day, you're gonna make mistakes. People make mistakes because usually at daytime, at 12, at 2 o'clock, 1 o'clock, usually volume it's not that high anymore, so whatever you trade is gonna go opposite you. So that's how it is, and that is how you get. That's a bear for sure, right? Okay, so let's look at bull for sure. Let's see how many bulls are there today. That is a bulls for sure. So today we have 3 stocks here, and let's see what is this graphite. We have, let's see at the volume first, which has the highest volume here. This is this one here, right, at 13,717. So we look for the one that has high volumes. Okay, so we have Infosys. So let's look at Infosys, INFY. So yeah, here it is, guys. Here it is. So yesterday Infosys was right here, it was going down, right? SuperTrend was up here, just up here, so that was the resistance. SuperTrend line is nothing but a resistance line, okay guys, put that in mind. So this is the resistance line there, a SuperTrend, and a VWAP is up here, okay? The VWAP was right here, okay, in the morning, the first 10 minutes. So what happened is in the first 10 minutes candle, it broke the SuperTrend level, okay? The SuperTrend level also is the resistance level, okay? And here also it broke the VWAP. So it's a positive sign that this stock is highly bullish today. So what you're gonna do, it's you know, trade on the pullback, right? We have one resistance right here. This was the resistance. So that was your natural target. So today it broke the SuperTrend level at this level here. It broke that level and it's coming back upwards. So you see that now we have a resistance right here at this level, okay, at 802. So you could wait for the level, okay? Okay, looking at liquid base, okay, even liquid base did the same thing. It broke the trend. All right, but let's see if the stock is legit, right? So that is what we are going to find out. As you can see here, liquid base is not a legit stock. It's completely flat. You have no idea what's this, right? So you will ignore the stock, okay, and not make a trade on this. It's completely flat. Yep, you don't know whether it's gonna go down, it's gonna go up. Look at this. This is crazy. What is this, right? So it's not good to trade on this, or maybe you might not be able to trade on this, okay? So you're gonna ignore them right away. So you're gonna have graphite, right? So let's look at graphite right now. So GRAP, okay, that's your graphite, and here it is, right? The 10 minutes candle, right? So here it is. It opens at this level here, 915, and the stock was just going up down, okay? And here it is. So what happened is the SuperTrend, okay, SuperTrend this morning was right here, right? So this was your resistance, okay, in the morning, and this was also your VWAP, right? So that's how it is. So what happened is it opened up, okay, and also the open is also the low of the day. It went up straight without waiting, okay? It broke the SuperTrend and it broke the VWAP, right? So kind of cool. So this is the sign of it to go up, okay? If you could find the stock, there will be 1,000 people finding the stock too, and they are willing to trade on it. So what happened is volume will spike. When volume will spike, it will go up, okay? So that's how it is. It's just like the news where there was a bombing in Saudi Arabia, all the refinery companies, and with that news, no one was willing to sell the stock. The supply of oil will go down. So when supply goes down, the price will go up, right? So what happened is, there it is. It's just a news. The oil just go up, spike up, okay? Because no one is willing to sell. If they sell, sorry for them. It's gonna be a pain in the ass. So this it is. Graphite also same thing. There's a signal for it, like here a SuperTrend and a VWAP. These two crossing these two, and it's like a sign. Okay, it's like a sign where someone drone this graphite. Okay, someone's drone with a bomb, and people knew the news, and they all came and put in the volumes and buy the stock, and spiked up till 1245. Okay, that was the highest. But also know where to target them. Okay, always know where to keep your targets. Your target should be here. Okay, since you know that this is a very bullish stock, okay, knowing the story, so you should find your so this is where, first of all, this is your first resistance, because this is where it broke down, right? I'm looking at this candle here. This candle, it has a support here, right? So we have another support, we have another resistance here, that is here, because of this candle here. Okay, it's trying to break the level there. So we have two here, so that's a 2 level there. So we have two resistance, and what you're gonna do is either you can wait for this one most, yeah, people sell it off right at this level here, at the support, at this resistance level here. Okay, because you can see here this is also weak. This was also the high. Okay, this was the high. The highs are actually the resistance, and the lows are actually the support, right? So they sell at the highs at this level where it was. Okay, so they sell here, and then all of them, because they cannot wait the whole day, right? Who holds the shares whole day? So they sell it off and down it went, right?